Hey everyone, it's Whitney. Welcome to my channel. So today I literally just played around with some makeup and did a cute little pink liner look. It's kind of hard to see on camera. And I also used a bunch of new products and I loved everything. So make sure to keep watching to see all the new products I used. They're amazing. So yeah, let's just get straight on into this cute little look. We have a visitor today. Actually two, you just can't see Shermie. But this is Asher and he's gonna be laying here while I do my makeup. So starting out with some new products, I'm gonna start with the Touch in Sol No Poreblem Primer. I've tried the No Poreblem like essence. It's kind of like a watery consistency, but this is just the pore filling one. This was a big pore filling primer. I feel like a few years ago, like a year or two ago, like people love this. But I'm just gonna put this on my pores and see what's up. Alright, I definitely used too much, so I'm gonna do one pump. Okay, so it feels very smooth. And my pores do look a little better. Very, very smooth. Wow. It's not like too drying. It feels actually kind of hydrating, which I like with my pore filling primers. Like, I don't want something too drying. Now I'm super excited for these products. So this is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. I love tinted moisturizers. I love Colourpop. This is in the shade Medium 9W. Hope this matches me. I kind of just made a guess. Got this from Ulta. It's definitely a little light. So people love this. We'll see how it is. I'm literally just squeezing it onto my face like I always do, but it's not really working out too well. Like, I don't even know what's on my face right now. I'm gonna use this It Cosmetics brush and just blend this in. I'm going for super like model-esque skin today. Light coverage, but super glowy and dewy and just like flawless. Yeah, so this matches like my skin tone, but my body is fake tanned, so it's a little light. I might try and mix something in there so that it matches better. I know I'm gonna get questions, but my earrings are from this boutique at Purdue, so I don't really know where you can actually find these. And my top is from Princess Polly. Okay, so it's very hydrating. It feels very nice. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on, which is great. Other than that, the coverage is just like a tinted moisturizer, but it evened up the skin tone really well. I'm gonna have to try this with a primer that I've already used before. I just feel like it's gathering a little in my nose, and that never happens to me. So maybe it's just like in combo with the primer. It might just not be a good combo. But other than around my nose, everything looks really, really pretty. Like my skin looks super hydrated and good. Since it is really light, you can tell compared to my neck, I have to add something on top. I can't leave it. Okay, I'm just gonna mix in the Lancome Skin Feels Good Hydrating Skin Tint, just because this is more my shade. Okay, this is much better. Still doesn't necessarily match, but we'll make it work. I'll tan myself up. So for concealer, I have the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. So it's from the same line as this. So I'm going to put this under the eyes. It's a little light for me. I'm curious about this coverage. I'm gonna use this alone today and see how I feel. I usually mix my concealers if you've seen any of my other videos. And I'm also gonna highlight with this. Okay, this looks really good. Okay, oh my god, I really like it. Okay, I'm gonna add more. It is pretty creasy, but I feel like that just happens easily with more hydrating concealers, and this is literally hyaluronic acid. So, I mean, I don't really care. I'm just gonna try and set them as best as I can. This is like my type of concealer. Okay, so far so good. I'm liking the products. I don't have anything new for like cream contour. So I'm just going in with the Nudestix Nudies All Over Face Color in the shade Bondi, babe, my fave. And I'm just tapping this on the cheeks. By the way, thank you so much for 13K. You guys are awesome. I feel like it just like went from 10K to 13K so fast. Like, I don't even know what happened. I'm super confused, but I'm so thankful for you guys every day. Keep DMing me, keep commenting. I love interacting with you guys. You guys are the best. I love you. Okay, I'm gonna set the face with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder because this gives a nice little like glow to your skin. It's not too matte, and I want some glowy skin today. I'm gonna use this fluffy Real Techniques Rebel Edge broad brush and just tap this all over the face. This powder is really good if you're super dry because it doesn't feel drying at all. It's one of those powders that you like don't feel on the skin. It doesn't make you feel like you're wearing powder. So if you have dry skin, I would suggest this. Okay, for under eyes, I'm gonna go in with, you guessed it, Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. And I'm just going to set the under eyes. Sorry, I'm looking for my brush. I'm using this BH Cosmetics No. 4 brush from the Rose Gold collection, I believe. I love these brushes. I've gotten a few questions about brushes lately. I love all the BH Cosmetics brushes. They're actually so good, so affordable. They have amazing little sets with like a few face brushes and a few eye brushes, and it's just, I really like them. Okay, going in with Dragun Beauty Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder. So good. I'm going to do mostly the banana shade and just dip a little into the pink. And I'm just going to brighten this up a bit. Bring it down onto my pores. This always makes my makeup look so good. You guys need to get it if you want some flawless under eyes. Oops. Okay, I feel like the skin looks so good. I love this concealer. It looks amazing. The skin looks great. I feel it's great. Okay, gonna contour with the Dragun Beauty Face Palette with Femme. It's a great contour shade. And just quickly sculpt out the cheeks lightly by tapping. I just like to tap on my contour rather than like stripe it. And it kind of does the blending for you and gives you a super soft contour. And then you can kind of blend it out after. And then I'm going to sculpt the nose with the Real Techniques base shadow brush. I like the shape of this for my nose. Okay, now we're gonna use some new products. Okay, so this is butter bronzer. I've tried butter bronzer before, but they came out, it may have been a few years ago, but I never tried. They came out with different shades because there was only one shade, and as I started to get into like self-tanning, it was just way too light for me where it kind of started to look gray. So this is in the shade Deep Bronzer, and I feel like this will be good, and I always liked butter bronzer, so I'm sure this will be nice too. I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush, number 1 from, I think it's the Aurora Lights collection. And I'm going to go lightly with this first, just because I don't remember how pigmented it is, and it's a new shade. God, I love the smell of this. Okay, that looks really nice. I love this shade. Oh my god, it looks so good. What? I'm obsessed. It looks amazing. I mean, no wonder people use this all the time. Like, why am I just hopping on the train? Like, get with it, Whitney. Okay, I have 2 new blushes. I love the Laura Mercier Peaches blush, but this is strawberry and it's completely matte. It's super cute. I love shades like this. And then I also have the BH Cosmetics Vanilla Peach Truffle blush palette. It has 4 little cute shades. Okay, I'm going to try this little number down here. There's not like shades to these, but it's the last one. And let's just see how this works. Cute. Like, really cute. Oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, this is so cute. They have so many different palettes, like with different combos. Hi. I'm gonna have to try all of these, and then I'm also gonna have to try the Laura Mercier one some other time. I'm gonna do my brows off camera because they're boring. I'm gonna use the Kylie pomade in the shade Blonde and just set them as well. Okay, finish the brows. They're just super fluffy, not too filled in. Okay, so for the eyeliner, I got these new little liquid liners from NYX. They're the Vivid Brights, and they're colored, and I really wanted to do something with them, but I didn't really know what. So I went on Instagram and literally searched graphic liner and just went through a few pics. And this is literally so cute. It's from a girl, it's Nush, Nush.mu. It's this little graphic liner, and it's just the outline of a winged eyeliner and then a little dot on your inner corner. So the purple one is Vivid Blossom, and the pink one is Vivid Petal. So super pastel-y, but just like so cute. I'm gonna do pink liner. That's what I'm gonna do. Let me just zoom you guys in more. We're gonna try and do this. This might be hard. If I can't just do the outline, I'll just fill it in. Okay, maybe this side first? I don't know. How does she just do the outline perfectly? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna fill it in because I already messed it up. I'm just gonna fill it in completely, and then maybe it'll just show up a little more too. I think it looks so cute. It's just when my camera's far, you can't really see it, you know? Like it's just not there. So there's nothing on the lid. It's just gonna be a graphic liner. This is a new highlighter I'm gonna be using on my face, but it's the Makeup Revolution Highlighted Reloaded, and it's in Dare to Divulge. I'm gonna put it on my inner corner and my brow bone. Oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna go in with this. This is new as well. I haven't tried this. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Retractable Eyeliner in white. So I usually use the Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, but it is like super big where it gets all over my lash line. That looks really good, actually. This is nice because the Jumbo Eye Pencil is getting all over my lashes. Okay, I'm just gonna apply a little mascara, and then for this, I'm going to do some little half lashes on the outer corner. I'm not gonna do any bottom mascara today. I just took these little kiss lashes and cut them in half. I think it'll look nice with this little wing we have going. I'm using the House of Lashes glue. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pop it on the outer corner. It just like complements that little wing. Now let's do some highlighter, and we use the same highlighter. So really good highlighter. It looks really nice on the skin too. It looks like it just like melts into the skin. And see, this is a good highlighter because putting it on light gives it a glow from within, but it also would look beautiful, like very intense. So for lips, I think I'm just gonna line them and then use a gloss. I'm gonna use Bare by Kylie. And then I'm going to use NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Eclair. And this is like the exact same tone of pink as the eyeliner. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Seriously, I'm obsessed with this look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little graphic liner look and seeing me use some new products. And I literally loved every single product I use. Like, I'm blown away. Everything is amazing. So if you did enjoy this little makeup look, then please give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, comment down below anything else you'd like to see from me, and make sure to check out my Instagram. As always, I'll see you in the next one.